Well, it's Monday, April 2nd. I didn't wake up in time to go to school, so I'm laying out. Figured I'd make a little video, show y'all what I got going on right now out in the gardens again. Don't know if I did too good of a tour yet of like what I've actually done. So we'll start right here with this bed, which little background. I've just been pretty much finding stuff laying around and making little beds because I don't have a tiller. I don't like spending money, so I've been kind of just throwing together stuff and for beds, you know. I don't build the most fancy way, just kind of bare minimum, and I've been having success, so I started making videos. There's a huge wild onion plant, which are all over my yard. Wild onion right there. If you're ever out in the woods, see some of these, need some, I don't know. They took over this year. But either way. So in this bed, I'm just putting flowers. And I put out stuff really early to see what would happen. And because I started seeds like way too early too. But these were, I think, butterfly flowers. Didn't make it. I mean, I put them out like end of February. But some of them made it. These made it. These made it. This is mint. And some stuff's made it. I've added in, like, I started a bunch of barrage. I'm trying to get it growing around. That's a Xena I just put in. But really, I should have kept up with what I actually put out early. But about half the stuff made it, if that makes any sense. Putting it out in late February and letting it freeze and stuff. Just seeing how hardy stuff was. Switch the camera up. So this bed I put in when I first moved in. I found these like half rotten landscaping timbers. They were just piled up on the property when I bought the house. So I just put them in this U shape. Added the tires later. And this is where it all started. This is the birth of the local garden right here. So basically just threw them down in a U-shape, cut them up, bolted them together or screwed them together. So either way, what do I got? I got chives right here. I've got oregano, thyme, parsley, tarragon, and I put those out like 1st of March, and they froze, and they came back. And the mulch is just leaves and grass clippings. That's all I'm using for mulch. And then all the pepper plants that I put in, peppers and tomatoes I put in towards the end of March. They've been in there for probably about a week, and they're just kind of chilling, waiting on it to get warm, but nothing died. That ain't what I want. This is barrage. I've heard that they attract so many bees and stuff that they really help out. Barrage, and I got marigold too popping around here and there that I put in. So just an idea of the space, and this is 2 foot wide. So pepper plant, herbs, pepper plant in the middle with my herbs. There's a marigold, and I just started them and popped them in here and there. And barrage, that's the pollinators I integrated. And then we got peppers right and then through here. They're about 1 foot apart, peppers are. And then the tomatoes, they're about 2 foot apart from each other. And I've got some flowers started like in between them. Stuck a pepper plant here and there in between them. And I mean, it's a mess. I need to weed eat and stuff like that, but this is what I've got out, and I'm hoping it stays alive. And this will be like my early guys that First tomatoes of the season ought to come out of this. And then over here, junkseed.com, got on there, found 2 kinds of strawberries. I got 50 plants delivered to the door for like 33 bucks, I think. Stuck them in, and they've all started producing their leaves, so it looks like they're gonna take off. And this is where I found the barrage flower, which I think I'm pronouncing that right, I'm not positive. But they say put one every 4 foot in your strawberry beds, and it makes your strawberries taste better. I don't know. Something to try anyway. This bed, I still ain't putting nothing out. Probably gonna put some bush beans or something in there. And then right here's radishes popping up. I seeded this real good with radishes and carrots, and whenever I harvest the radishes, the carrots should all be germinated. So those are all radish seedlings, and pretty sure that's carrots right there. Then over here, this is the other side of the property. My other garden's over there on the other side of all that. I've got 2 4-foot by 8-foot beds. Onions that I put out like end of February, are all standing up, ready to grow for me. Chives over there. There's another cluster of flowers I stuck in way too early, but ain't dying. That's garlic I sowed in October, let it overwinter. I don't think I'll let these broccoli plants get big enough, so some of them are kind of dying, but it looks like I've got at least 3 that are gonna make it. Those 3 should make it. And here's the broccoli I put in February. It turned out healthy broccoli plants. I'll have to start looking bugs. I've only lost one, that one right there, so I'll probably grow something else there. But that's 11 plants, so that ought to be a good amount of broccoli. Here's my first salad spot of the year. And lettuce, you know, you put it in and it kind of just limps down, and then stuff will start popping back up. It takes a minute to get going. Like I said, the red lettuce is the fashionable thing to grow this year. I already stuck a squash plant and a zucchini plant out just to see where it goes. And that's the good thing about starting your own seeds. You can really come out here and experiment, and you know, that's not like a $5 plant. That's like a seed, so a lot cheaper. Then I got peas, and they're all popping. Those are all pea plants, so I'm gonna have to come in here and thin it out a little bit, get something for them to grow up. But they're all germinating. I started with those guys probably 1st of March, late February. And that's what we got going on. A lot of stuff. Been out here since either beginning of March or late February, sticking stuff in the ground and seeing what happens, and really haven't lost that much stuff. Of course, you gotta watch the weather and cover. I've only covered things up once, and I should have covered up. I probably could have kept everything if I would have, you know, get some cold frames or something, but this is just what I got going on. So yeah, y'all take it easy out there.